Introduction to AWS OpsWorks. Amazon is a great platform to explore and learn new things about technology. The main objective or goal for any web-based application is to get familiar with new developments where all kinds of research and applications are used to make an effective product. The primary goal will always be to reach up to the audience's expectations. So, justifying their goal, Amazon has bought the latest update on automated operations. The operation is named OpsWorks.
But before we start moving forward, make sure to subscribe channel and click on the bell icon. Sprintzeal provides training programs, certification programs on their websites. If you're interested in them, do check out the links in the description.
AWS OpsWorks Features. The AWS OpsWorks contains the stack features to manage and automate tasks like software configurations, database setups, server scaling, code deployment, and much more by using Chef automation. Stacks in OpsWorks need an application-based time to load the monitor, which will help the user troubleshoot to make an action-based resource. Similarly, the state of resources is taken in and combined to form a multi-user environment easier. Resource configuration. Users can make use of Amazon EC2 to specify the template configurations. AWS configuration management services include EBS volume creation that maintains the AWS stacks and builds relationships between the resources. The example to ensure this is to specify the elastic IP address and volumes of Amazon, even after stopping and restarting the sample weeks later. Software configuration. Using Amazon Web Services OpsWorks, we can configure the software by mentioning our demands, or get into the life cycle of events through bootstrapping automatically. The OS base image can be modified with the ongoing services by transferring the event into the working servers to change. Triggering the life cycle event of Amazon causes AWS OpsWorks to build multiple runs of demanding events. That would be significant for layering software configurations assigned to any particular event. Learn in detail from the experts about AWS development and become an AWS Developer Associate. Auto-healing. Amazon Web Services OpsWorks can auto-heal the stack of users. Auto-replacement is done by the OpsWorks stack if there is any unknown failure. Linux and Windows support. AWS OpsWorks stacks can be used to configure both Linux and Windows Elastic Compute clouds together, i.e. Amazon EC2. Learn about the cloud in detail and get certified by CompTIA A+. Monitoring. User resource metrics are sent to the Amazon cloud so that viewing graphs and setting alarms will be easier. This helps users with troubleshooting and makes for action-friendly resources. AWS OpsWorks Benefits. AWS provides Chef and Puppet, through which most of the OpsWorks services of Amazon are managed and made effective for users. Automation tools, configuration management, and much more are made beneficiaries by fellow Chefs and Puppet enterprises. Manageable Chef Server. Programmable framework. Scaling is made more secure. Backing up for an active Chef community. Easy control in a hybrid environment. AWS OpsWorks works and provides service for many of the users on Amazon. AWS OpsWorks Pricing. Pricing is the exchange of goods and services along the community side of advertising and accountability. Amazon provides AWS OpsWorks Pricing for OpsWorks stacks on Amazon EC2 and on-premises of AWS. An OpsWorks stack on Amazon EC2 does not contain any additional charge. Amazon resources are created by AWS OpsWorks, so there is no additional charge applied. You only pay for what you use, but not for inbuilt software. The on-premises server gets the pricing on the installation of AWS OpsWorks stacks agent via side E. User, 2 cents per hour, and there are no minimum fees and no commitments.
Hope you found this video informative and useful. We'll always bring new concepts explained for you, so stay tuned with Sprintzeal, and if you like the video, do share. If have any doubts or queries, do let us know in the comment section. Use the coupon code YouTube10 in our website to get 10% off on all our courses.